This Bitcoin signal is flashing right now, and while this is happening, Bitcoin is getting rejected from the top side of resistance I have been talking about for quite a while. And with that, we are making right now already more than $3,000 from the trade I announced yesterday on the video. So make sure to watch the video till the end to see an update on the trade. I will give an update on the current ongoing trend for Bitcoin, what is going to be very important to watch, and also the other most important charts. So don't forget to slap up that like button. Can we once again smash it back above 600? That will be absolutely incredible. With that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. If I am looking at the 1 hour time frame, we can still clearly see the Bitcoin price action is currently consolidating between the top side range and the lower side range, and the question really is, when are we going to be breaking outside of the range here? As soon as we do break outside of the range, I will be starting to say, okay, right now I am significantly bearish, or right now I'm significantly bullish. But as long as we're not confirming a break above the top side or the lower side, I think we should be expecting that Bitcoin is going to be bouncing between the top and lower side till we are going to be deciding otherwise. So currently we can see we've seen another rejection from the top side, and that was also the exact reason why I shorted this level. To clarify, I will be extremely bullish on Bitcoin once we break the top side of 28.8k approximately. If we confirm the break above that level, and I will be expecting there will be a significant continuation towards the upside. However, on the imminent short term, we've seen this symmetrical triangle yesterday break down together with a rejection on the top side, and together with that, we did learn from the past that the last few times Bitcoin has been retesting these ranges high, we've been seeing a rejection from it, and the only way we've been breaking through them is in the next recovery rally towards the upside, just like you saw over here and just like you saw over here. So currently we're seeing another rejection from the top side, and my strategy right now here is to actually opening up a gigantic long position on $25,000 if Bitcoin is going to come down towards that level. If it doesn't happen, I will be unfortunately miss out on this gigantic opportunity. So while Bitcoin is currently consolidating around this range, I want to be pointing out is that currently, if I am doing my pure Bitcoin analysis on the market, we can clearly see that Bitcoin is creating somewhat of a rounding top structure, or if I invert the chart, you can see it's a rounding bottom structure. This is a clear bullish body structure. You can see that the momentum of the drop is getting lost. So what would you be doing right now at this stage? You should be buying, but since the chart is inverted, we do know that this actually is a sell signal for Bitcoin, since we're creating that rounding top structure. We're seeing a loss of momentum happening on the top side, and basically the only way how we could potentially break outside of this range here, if we either see extremely bullish news coming out for Bitcoin, and that could maybe potentially result in, of course, a break above 28.5k, and of course if we confirm the break above that level here on the top side, we will be breaking bullish, and then I'm expecting a continuation. If there's not necessarily going to be any significant bullish news for Bitcoin, I'm not really expecting that to necessarily is going to be straight away a push above this level. So that is why I'm currently very cautious. I've been in a short position. I already took more than $400 in profit, but like you can see, I'm still making more than 3.7k in profit right now here, and I just shorted the exact top side. It's a very easy way of going with Bitcoin trading, but I will keep you guys up to date what I will be doing with this trade. But most certainly, I'm already thinking about closing 50% of this trade, so make sure to stay up to date on my socials to know exactly what I will be doing with this trade, because probably I will be closing a significant amount of this trade anytime soon. So make sure to stay on high alert about that one. If you want to be trading yourself, you can check out Bybit. Bybit is the exchange I'm using, and if you want to be trading over there, you can currently claim a deposit bonus up to $30,000 only if you sign up an account using the link in the description right now. So make sure to check that out for sure. And furthermore, we can actually see that Bitcoin is getting rejected from the $29,000 level, right? That's the level we've been talking about. I've said it for quite a while here. If Bitcoin is going to be breaking this level that we're currently trading at in just one go, I will be highly surprised, and that will be extremely bullish for Bitcoin. But I just don't think that this important level, this level that we're right now trading in, has literally been the support of the bull market of Bitcoin. And right now we're retesting it, and many people are expecting that we can easily break through this level. However, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we see him move down to $25,000. This is such an important level, and you just don't really break through such important levels in just one go. So it is not bad for Bitcoin if we see a small retracement before pushing back towards the upside. So you can see that as well in the daily time frame. We are currently trading at very important resistance, and while all this is happening, we can actually also see is that we're currently having a bearish MACD cross, and the MACD is currently crossing bearish, and the last time it happened was here. And once that MACD signal flashed, Bitcoin moved down at approximately 12 to 15% here. Before that, we also saw a bearish MACD cross, and we moved also down more than 8%. So yeah, really what we're currently seeing here is once again an important signal that's currently getting flashed. And usually once the MACD crosses bearish, it's indicating that we're going to see some more bearish momentum coming towards the market. And we're literally seeing a bearish close happening on the top side of resistance. It is something to really pay attention towards here. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin sees a small rejection towards the downside from off this point. While everything is happening, I think the most important chart is probably the 3-day time frame, because on the 3-day time frame, you can see that Bitcoin is creating a bearish divergence while it is literally trading against the most important level of resistance in the entire price action of Bitcoin. So very important to be paying attention towards here. I'm not sure without a reason. I'm short with a clear reason, because I don't think that we can break through this level very quickly. And I'm still anticipating there is a very big scenario where Bitcoin potentially is going to come down to $25,000 before moving up towards the upside further on. So I will be very patient. I will be trading it very slowly. And if you have been following me for quite a while already, you do also know that I did have set up an order on $25,000, and I will be patiently waiting before this order is going to get filled up, because my long position order price is $25,000, and if Bitcoin is going to come down towards that level, I'm going to be opening up a gigantic long position. So I'm being very patient right now here. I'm going to take it very slowly. This is my exact strategy right now. So that was it for me on today's update video. Yet again, a shorter update video, because not a lot of stuff is actually happening right now here. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date if something new is going to be happening. Yeah, that was it for me on today's update video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.